And this afternoon, the Attorney General is urging the Tema High Court to refuse a bail application filed by Fix the Country convener Oliver Vomawor. The AG says he has so far failed to cooperate with police investigations and has not fixed place of abode. Mr. Vomawor is said to be unwell, has through his lawyers put in an application for bail. He's facing the charge of treason felony over allegations he has instigated members of his group to overthrow government. The AG has in a document detailed what police investigations have uncovered so far. Court correspondent Joseph Akable joins us with more. So, Joseph, how is the AG justifying that Vomawor is actually not cooperating?
So it specifically has to do with the information that he's supposed to provide by way of showing them where he lives. They say they've obtained a warrant from the district court that permits investigators to visit and search his home as part of investigations to determine whether there are any items in the house that he was using to carry out this instigation that he's said to have engaged in. But they say that each time they ask him to show them where exactly he lives, he has failed to do so. And so they say that this is someone that we don't know where he lives. He's not even allowing us to search his place despite a warrant that has been issued. How can you grant such a person a bail? And so that is why they are saying he should not be granted bail.
So we also understand that he's refused to make available his phone to the police. How true is that?
The police investigators say that they've also secured a warrant from the district court that permits them to access his phone and go through the phone as part of the investigations. They say that there's a lock on the phone. They showed him the warrant and asked him to unlock the phone. The allegation is that he has refused to unlock the phone. And so they say that is also affecting investigations.
So what's the state of his case as we speak?
As we speak now, the bail application was supposed to be heard at the High Court at Tema. But when we went to court today, his lawyers informed the court that they had just received the said document that contains all these allegations from the AG's office. They say that the allegations are untrue. And on Monday, when they have the opportunity, they had actually asked for more time to respond. But the court said because he's unwell, they want them to do the determination of the bail immediately. So they are going back to court on Monday, where they will be expected to respond to these allegations and hope that the court will dismiss the allegations and grant him bail. If the court upholds the argument of the AG, then it means that he remains in the custody of the police.
Joseph Akable is our court correspondent. Let's stick on to legal matters.